Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our second part of the video for Frankfurt University of Applied Science for the course Information Technology. In the first part of the video of application, I told you the requirement analysis, and we went through the requirement analysis, and also we found out some new things which was not mentioned in that website, where this course was offered in both the semesters, summer and winter semester. If you're doing in summer semester, then it is three semester course. If you're doing in winter semester, then it is a 4 semester course. And people who have their CGPA around 2 GPA, then they can apply for 4 semester course, which is in winter. And if they are not below 2, then please apply for summer semester, because in summer semester they are asking or getting the admission until 2.5. This is what we learned in some requirement analysis inside the application, inside the official website at Frankfurt University of Applied Science. And also at the end of the video, we also registered for Uni-Assist, showed you how to register, logged in, then also we selected our selection list and added our college here. And this was the communication system network, which was our last previous video which we have done, so we can directly remove it. And if you can see, the first application will be always 75 euros. From second application it will be 30 euros only for particular semester. Okay, then you can click on remove. Once you remove, the only application will be 75. Then we can directly go into additional application related questions, and this particular college, Frankfurt University of Applied Science, has a different or extra questions compared to last other so many colleges. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into our videos, check the requirement analysis, check the deadlines, and apply for their dream college, get their dream degree, and start their studies in Germany. Without any ado, we'll get started. As I told you, we have to fill in our additional application related questions. We can go into additional requirement information questions and general questions 11 of 11, which is educational data. This was the information we used to fill every time for all university information. But here for Frankfurt University of Applied Science, they have University of questions itself, their particular university questions. Then they have a course study related questions or the application or documents that we need to upload. So first we will go through the general qualifications or general questions that they ask, which is educational data. So here in educational data, as I told you, period of attendance will be when you have finished your first schooling, and period of attendance of school 2 will be when you have done your PUC. People who have did 5 years of schooling from 8th to 12th as a complete school, then please mention your 5 years degree here of period, then only fill in school 1. But people who have studied in Karnataka, we have a different way. If you do a state syllabus where we don't have 11th and 12th, we have PUC, which is different pre-university college. So that's the reason I have filled in school 1 as 3 years schooling, which we did for secondary school living certificate until 10th. And I did it in Marimalapa High School. And that's the reason school 1 is this. In school 2, I did 2-year pre-university college, which is in other way 11th and 12th. And that we got a certification awarded, that pre-university certificate. And the name of the certificate in other states, or if you study in central syllabus, then it will be 12th standard. Okay, so either you can club into 5 years and give it in one school. If you're studied as us or as me, where you have done it as schooling only 3 years and 2 years of pre-university college, then fill it like how I have filled it. Then you need to give in the school of living certificate when you have finished it. So this will be normal, so when you have finished it. So please mention or look into your school certificate and fill in that date. You have to take or would have been taken university entrance examination. So this is not mandatory, but in some countries, some state, it is mandatory. Depending upon your country states, you can fill in yes or no. At least for my case, it was compulsory. We had to take CET. When I did, it was the CET. Then after CET, after 2016, CET is cancelled. Now they made it as a national level entrance examination, which is NEET. So everybody has to take that in order to get a university for bachelor degree in order to study. So that's the reason people can or would have been taken any of the university entrance examination. So please mention if you have taken a CET, NEET, JEE means any other university entrance examination, which would have been yield your bachelor degree from this entrance examination. Then please mention the date of university entrance examination when you have done and give in the details. Okay, if you don't have taken any of the exam, then please click on no. So no need to worry. Okay, after that, studies outside Germany. After taking the university entrance examination, which degree you gonna continue? So you did that university entrance examination in order to do the bachelor degree, and that's the reason. Study outside the Germany your bachelor degree. Yes, we have done our bachelor degree outside Germany. That's the reason we are clicking yes. You can give in the first university qualification which you have done, which is bachelor degree, and our bachelor degree was for 4 years, and where I have studied which university, which was Vishweshwaraya Technological University, and the place, state, and the country. After that, the subject area that you have finished is electrical engineering, or depending on which course you have done. Say example, for this particular course, electrical engineering, electronics and communication, electronics, telecommunication, information science, information technology, everyone can apply. So please mention, you give your subject area. Then type of degree which we got awarded at the end of the degree is Bachelor of Engineering. And have you successfully completed degree? Yes. And people who have not successfully completed are not supposed to apply here. Why? Because I'll tell you why. In the requirement analysis, they have completed, they clearly mentioned that degree must be have been completed with the overall grade of 2.0. You have to be completed your degree and have a at least 2.0 GPA for winter semester if you are applying for 4 semester. Okay, if you are applying for 3 semester course, then you need to have a at least overall grade of 2.5 after completed. Okay, so if you are studying still, then you cannot apply. I'm sorry, you need to have completed. Then in second university qualification, you can just keep it no. Third university also you can keep it low. But if you are coming for the second master's here and done already one master's in any of the country or in India, then please use this second university qualification in order to fill your master degree which you have done already. After that, you have not filled in or done any of the student college, then please mention no to all student college, so you don't need to worry about anything. And these are same, you don't need to fill in anything. And studies in Germany, so we have not yet done any studies in Germany, and that's the reason you have to click in no. Okay, if you have done one study already in Germany, say example you have done a college, joined already a master degree program in some particular college, you have done one semester already, and this is your second college in option, applying and going for second semester, then please click on yes. Then you can fill in what you have done, and that credits would be also counted if they want. After this, we used to save and directly check for the documents and submitting the application. But here for this particular college, they have a university questions. So they have their own university questions. So they are asking, please upload your proof of German here. If you are applying for an English taught program, please upload the proof of English language certificate here. So here we have to apply IELTS certificate in order to prove. You have to upload your IELTS document here. Then study passed in Germany. Where have we been enrolled in the University of Germany? No. How many semester have you enrolled in Germany? Please select 0. So this is what I wanted to mention. If you had given yes, then you have to mention 1 semester I have done, and here I am coming for a higher semester. But that is for people who have done already 1 semester in different German university. But for us as a fresher, we have not done anything. We are going for this particular college in order to study the first semester or start the degree. That's the reason you have to select no, and semester that you have done is 0. Okay, and here is the people who have done a degree program already for 1 semester and coming here for second semester, then they have to fill in these details. Okay, student college we have not done. Now you need to fill in the student college, preparatory college details. So here you can just fill in, have you studied or enrolled in student college? No. And also they will ask if you need to enroll in a university or student college. So this also you can click on no. Why? If you are a student from India, then please click on no, because our degree is already registered and we have done minimum amount of 18 years of schooling, so we don't need to go to student college. But in some cases, if you have done 17 years in your country, then they will only contact you and tell you have to take a examination or a 1 year of student college in order to complete schooling. Okay, then you can apply. But as I told you, please select everything as no, you don't need to worry. Then how did you hear from us? We heard from you guys via directly Frankfurt application or Frankfurt University of Applied Science direct website. Then priority in NC degree program, important information, yes, we have confirmed. Then you can just please note and study what they are asking for. After that, we filled in our university questions. General questions is also done. Then we need to fill in the course details. Here you can just click on where you have to fill in the CV. After filling university qualification, we come back to next question that they're asking, course study related questions. So when we did our requirement analysis, you can just see they asked for a required documents, which was CV and a motivation letter explaining why they have to accept you for this particular course. So please give in that 2 documents here and click on save. After clicking on save, then you need to see this no unanswered mandatory questions has green. If it is still red, then please check out our video, go back and check what are the details that you have missed, and please make sure you have this as a green. Then only you are allowed to submit the application. Then we can directly go to upload my documents and fill in or give in the all documents that we usually submit. And this submission of documents I have explained numerous amount of time, where you need to give in module handbook, 12th German, APS document, work internship certificate, bachelor certificate, 10th and 12th you can also club and give it as a high school diploma and other things. And then passport, statement of purpose, language certificate, which will be your English language certificate, then the CV. Okay, these are the maximum amount of documents that one college can ask. That's the reason we have filled in all and put it in our documents. So every time we submit the application, all these documents will be forwarded and we are completed with everything. Okay, then you can click on choose payment option, then click on credit card, then proceed to checkout. Then you can fill in, tick mark everything, then you can start the payment process. Okay, this is what I wanted to talk to you about for this particular college for winter semester 2025-2026. If you don't get it and your CGPA or GPA is not 2.0 or better, then please wait for summer semester and apply for this, because if your CGPA is above 2.0, which is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and below CGPA 8.1, then you will get a rejection. Then so please don't apply, you will waste your money. If you are below or above 8.2 CGPA, then apply for this particular course, you will get an admission. Thank you for watching this video in 2 parts until here. See you next video. And also please check out my membership perks, where you guys were asking for one-on-one and other things. So I have made a membership list where you will get so many perks. Please check out and let me know if I want to make any changes. See you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.